This week, we're going to cover ADA compliance of websites. What's up, fish fans? My name is Marcus, and you're watching Marketing Madness, the Bluefish vlog. Recently, we've had a number of our clients asking us about ADA compliance as it relates to their website. Apparently, legal teams around the country are preparing for lawsuits regarding ADA compliance. But let's change that into something more positive. What if I told you that your business could be reaching 12% more clients online with a few website changes? That's right. The American Community Survey estimates that the number of people with disabilities in the US in 2016 was 12.8%. And this statistic is unfortunately rising. The Americans with Disabilities Act has done an incredible job of protecting individuals with disabilities from discrimination when it comes to physical building regulations. Things get a bit blurry when we talk about online regulations, though. Now, recently, the Department of Justice has made it clear that the ADA applies to the internet, but further rulings are still underway. Many people with disabilities use assistive technology that enables them to use computers. They might be utilizing computer programs or devices such as screen readers, text enlargement software, and computer programs that enable people to control the computer with their voice. And some use assistive technology that is built into the computer's operating system. For example, basic accessibility features in computer operating systems enable some people with low vision to see computer displays by simply adjusting color schemes, contrast settings, and font sizes. Operating systems enable people with limited manual dexterity to move the mouse pointer using keystrokes instead of a mouse. And many other types of assistive technology are available, and more are still being developed. Now, poorly designed websites can create unnecessary barriers for people with disabilities, just as poorly designed buildings prevent some people with disabilities from entering. Access problems often occur because website designers mistakenly assume that everyone sees and accesses a web page in the same way. This mistaken assumption can frustrate assistive technologies and their users. Now, if you want to see how your website fares, go to webaccessibility.com and run the test against your website. This is a multi-layered topic for sure, and there are various levels of compliance. Sometimes it's a simple fix to make an existing website compliant, and sometimes it requires scrapping the whole thing and starting from scratch. Now, when updating web pages, remember to ensure that updates are accessible. For example, when images change, the text equivalent in alt tags and long descriptions needs to be changed so that they match the new images. And if you have specific questions about compliance, there is a technical assistance document available on the ADA homepage at ada.gov. Here are some common problems and solutions for a website accessibility. So problem, images without text. Now the equivalent solution would be to add a text equivalent to every image. Problem, documents are not posted in accessible format. The solution would be to post documents in a text-based format so those screen readers can actually see them. Problem, specifying colors and font sizes. A solution would be to avoid dictating colors and font settings so that they can adjust them with their operating system capabilities. Now problem, videos and other multimedia lack accessible features. Now the solution would be to include audio descriptions and captions. You'll notice on mobileal.com for the podcast, we actually include a whole transcript of every podcast that we've ever done. And we do that on purpose. Well, one, for SEO, for keyword density and all that stuff, but also the other one is so that people that have issues with text size and stuff like that can resize it and read those. Now, if you want a second opinion on how you can take your website from non-compliant to legal and user-friendly for all clients, we are well-versed in making websites compliant. We build accessibility into our proposals and integrate it into our design and development workflow. Well, that's a wrap for this week. I want to thank you for checking in. Make sure to hit that like button, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And if you want to talk about how Bluefish can help you grow your business, just send us a message and we'll get that conversation started.